In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Steam download speed drops to 0. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, once you've got Steam opened, what you want to do is come up to the top left hand corner, click onto Steam, and then come down and click onto Settings. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto Downloads. Then what you need to do is come up to Download Region at the top, click onto the drop down box and choose a server which is close to your location. So because for myself, as an example, I'm in the UK, I would select a UK server. When you change this, it does require a restart to take effect, so just click Restart now and that's going to restart Steam. Once you've done that, what you can do is close out of Steam, and from your desktop, the next step, you want to come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In the search box, type network connections and then open up view network connections underneath best match. On your network connections window, find your internet or Wi-Fi connection, and what you want to do is right click onto this and then come down and click onto properties. Now in here, we're going to look for Internet Protocol version 4. So it's going to be this one here. And what you want to do is give it a click to highlight, then come down and click onto properties underneath. And on the properties window that comes up, what you want to do is come down to where it says use the following DNS server addresses, give that a click and enter the following, which is 8888. And for alternative DNS, type 8844. Once that's done, click OK, and then what you can do is close this all down, come back to your desktop, and what you want to do now is come down to your search box again. This time type CMD, command prompt should come up underneath best match, right click onto this and click to run as administrator. Now what you need to do in here is type the following, which is ipconfig space /flush DNS and then hit enter. And what you want to do is type the next line, which is netsh space winsock space reset and then hit enter. Now once you've done that, what you need to do is restart your computer, so just type exit, hit exit to come out of your command prompt, and what you want to do is go ahead, restart your computer for everything to take effect. And once you've done that, you should now find a better download speed for Steam, which should no longer be at 0. So that is how to fix Steam download speed drops to 0. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.